I'm losing to this guy?
Answer me. Where is Itachi?
You're at your limit, too. I'm going to win this match. I still have detonating clay left. Oh, come on. Aren't you even a little scared, I'm about to crush you with my art, you hear? That's what annoys me about you the most. You think you're just so cool. And those eyes make me sick. Always judging me and my art. You have no appreciation of the beauty of a true master's work, and it makes me want to kill you.
I couldn't possibly care less about what you want. I just want to know where Itachi is.
Is that how little you fear me? My ultimate art. I'll show you my biggest, ultimate, maximum explosion.
Is he going to...
One that shall scar the very earth itself and receive rave reviews from all my critics. For with my death, I shall become art. Struggling is useless. You can't run from an explosion. You're doomed to disintegrate here. Now are you afraid? Cower in